The difference between an amateur tailor and a professional is not only in the sewing, it is also in the finishing. In this video, I will show you how to iron a trouser professionally so that every pair leaving your shop will look sharp and premium. I'll be using this dry iron and this water right here. If you have a steam iron, it will be best. Then this fabric is jokoso, and a lot of tailors find it difficult ironing it. So the first thing you want to do is to turn the trouser over. You're going to turn it inside so that the part that you sew and weave will be exposed. And that is what I'm doing right here in this video. After turning it, you'll notice that after sewing it, there's a part that's turned inward like this on both sides. And the iron, you program it in between 1 and 2 on the dot here so that it will not be too hot. So you are going to apply the water and then you iron it like this in order for the stitches to stay relaxed. You can see the way I'm ironing it in this video. So this is the way you are going to iron it. Then if you weave your trouser separately, you are also going to iron it opened in order for the weaving and the stitches to stay relaxed. When you are done, you also move to the other part, turn it over. This is the inner side. You also iron it for it to stay relaxed too, and to face the side where your stitching face. As you can see, this one is facing the right hand side. I'll be using this right here to support the ironing in order for trouser to relax fully while ironing. Once you are done with one leg, you move to the other leg. You also follow the same method. Iron it inward so that everything can face one direction. You can see me doing in this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video to other tailors who will benefit from it. Also drop a comment in order for YouTube to recommend these videos to others. So you're going to iron it like this. Make sure everything is well relaxed, and then you turn it inward in order to iron the inner side. You can see that this stitches is facing the left hand side, so you're also going to apply your water and then you iron it too. Don't forget, if you are using a steam iron, you don't need to apply water. All you have to do is just iron directly. The reason why you're ironing everything like this is because you want your trouser to be well relaxed and to be presentable to your customer. If you don't do all of this, the trouser will not look presentable and it will not look good at all. So when you are done with those legs, you also come to the back side, also iron it for it to stay relaxed too. So these are all the steps you are going to follow inside. Once you are done, turn it over again to the right side. This is an adjustable elastic waistband which I've made a tutorial on, and also how to sew a buttonhole. I have videos of that in my channel. So you are going to iron the waistband area and also the pocket region, because you want everything to look presentable and well relaxed. This is also the dart. You iron everything individually. Most tailors don't like to iron, but if you are a tailor, you must know that ironing is very important in this industry. So once you are done ironing everything, now it's time to iron the trouser completely. So you are going to arrange it like this. The two sides which you can see the stitches will be together. Two lines right here. You place it together. Make sure they are equal. A lot of tailors make this mistake. They're not positioning them equally, and then the center line will not be in the middle if you don't position them equally. So do well to position them equally like this. Make sure they match, and then you put it on your table. Arrange it properly. Also confirm the line, the center line together. Then you apply your water and then you iron. This will give you a perfect pleat, and also what people call gator, to give you a straight line on your trouser. You are going to iron like this and also arrange it properly, making sure your center line are together while ironing. You are doing all of this because without proper ironing, your work will be rough. So ironing is very important as a tailor. So you are going to iron it all the way to the top. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment. This is another important aspect you need to pay attention to. Once you get to this top, you arrange the pocket inward in order for the trouser to be well relaxed while ironing this pocket region at the top. You are going to iron it all the way to the top, at the top of the waistband, and then you also iron the back side like this. So right now you are done with one leg. You can see how neat the ironing looks. So now you are going to take the other leg which you've not ironed, turn it like this, and then you place it on the table too. Make sure the two lines are touching each other, and then you also start ironing. You repeat the same process just like you've done before. Arrange it equally and you iron. You can let me know in the comment section, as a tailor, do you like ironing, or you want your apprentice to do the ironing while you only focus on sewing? You are going to go all the way to the top. If you are new to this channel and you want to learn tailoring within 7 days, I'm offering you a master class which is just 5,000 naira. The link to this master class is in the description box. So click the description box, click on the link and register for this master class. And I promise you, within 7 days, you are going to sew your very first outfit. So you are also going to iron all the way to this very top, just like this, in order for the trouser to be well relaxed. Iron the waistband properly, and then you'll come to the front side of the waistband. You also iron. After ironing, you have this as the result. You can see how neat this part looks. So you are going to put them together now, the two trouser legs together, arrange it equally, and then you iron the top. Ironing takes time. That's why most tailors don't like to iron. I've even seen people who deliver their cloth without ironing. So I want you to know that as tailors, ironing is one of the important steps in this industry. So you need to like ironing and make your outfit look sharp as possible. So you iron it all the way to the top. Once you are done with one part, you turn it over like this, and you also repeat the same process. Iron it to the very top in order for you to have your pleat or your gaiter, as many people call it. I believe you can see the difference between a trouser that is well ironed and the one that is not ironed. After ironing, you fold it like this, making sure everything is well aligned and the marks are straight. So you iron the edge and then you fold it again like this. So you also iron it and then you turn it over to the front side, and you also place your iron on it. And this is the professional look that you have after ironing. Just imagine presenting this to your customer. I believe they will be happy. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and watch this other video showing up here.